Good afternoon, my friends. Many Americans will now be eligible to receive a $1,400 stimulus payment in April. Our lawmakers in Congress have agreed to send out new inflation relief checks to help Americans that are experiencing financial difficulties caused by this crisis and inflation. Friends, here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Also, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video for all of the fourth stimulus details. And if you can do me a favor and share this video on social media and also with your friends and family, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, friends, please make sure that you listen for the keyword in this video.
I rise in support of the Affordable Insulin Now Act and the underlying rule. It is unconscionable that in the richest country on the planet that our planet's ever seen, millions of Americans, our neighbors, are forced to choose between buying medicine and paying their gas bill. Americans pay more than 10 times the price of insulin compared to other similar countries. 10 times. In fact, 1 in 4 of our neighbors who rely on insulin have rationed or skipped doses due to the cost. And I want folks to think about that. A quarter of the people prescribed insulin for their medical condition have risked their life to be able to afford another month's worth of insulin. This is shameful, Mr. Speaker. H.R. 6833 caps out-of-pocket costs for insulin at no more than $35 per month in Medicare and commercial health insurance. This cap will be a lifesaver for millions of our neighbors who currently pay, again, 10 times more the price of insulin compared, again, to similar wealthy nations. How can these companies sell the exact same drug here for 10 times the price of other nations? Because corporate greed and price gouging are not just permitted in our country.
A group of federal lawmakers are pushing for a bill that would provide $100 monthly stimulus payments to some people when gas goes above $4 per gallon. Representatives Mike Thompson, John Larson, and Lauren Underwood introduced the bill, which is known as the Gas Rebate Act of 2022. It's in response to a soaring gas prices that's affecting our country. According to AAA, the current national average for a gallon of gas is $4.24, which is up from $3.61 a month ago and $2.86 a year ago. This proposal would send $100 to individuals every time the national average price for a gallon of gas tops $4. To qualify for these checks, individuals would have to make $75,000 or less. Joint filers would have to earn $150,000 or less. Dependents would also be eligible for $100 per month. But friends, those income level cutoffs are based on previous stimulus payments. The first stimulus payment of $1,200 per person was made in March 2020, followed by $600 in December of 2020, and then $1,400 in March of 2021. The IRS is also now saying that there may be still people eligible for a $1,400 check once they file their tax returns this season. A U.S. Treasury Department report found that nearly 645,000 people still had not received a third stimulus check. The IRS recently released updated information on the recovery rebate credit that people may file for this year in order to recoup any of the money from those one-time payments still owed to them. The third round of stimulus payments were authorized last year through the American Rescue Plan Act. Under the terms, individuals could receive up to $1,400 through the third stimulus checks. Couples who filed jointly could receive up to $2,800. Additionally, eligible couples could also receive $1,400. In order to qualify, you had to be either a U.S. citizen in 2021. Also, you could not have been claimed as someone else's dependent on a 2020 tax return in order to qualify for your own payment. To be eligible for a full payment, your adjusted gross income could not be above certain thresholds: $75,000 for individuals, $112,500 for heads of household, or $150,000 for married couples. Payments were phased out for those with incomes above those levels. There also may be people who are eligible for the full $1,400 payments or additional partial payments if their circumstances have changed. Friends, the key word for this video is dolphin. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, friends, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine. And please also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Parents who added a child to their family in 2021 may be eligible for a $1,400 payment. Additionally, families who added a dependent to their family in 2021 may also be eligible for $1,400 on their behalf. Additionally, people whose incomes have fallen may now be eligible for the money if their 2021 adjusted gross incomes are below the threshold for full payments. If their incomes are in the phase-out thresholds, they could be eligible for partial payments. Individuals who do not typically file tax returns and have not yet done so need to file this year in order to receive any potential payments. Remember, the recovery rebate credit money for which you are eligible for will either reduce the amount of federal taxes you owe or be included in your refund. Friends, it is important to remember that the IRS will not automatically calculate any recovery rebate credit for which you may be entitled to when you file. If you have no income or up to $73,000 in income, you can file your federal tax return for free using the IRS's Free File program. According to the Internal Revenue Service, for people who already received their third stimulus checks, there is no need to include information on those payments in their 2021 returns. But if you are still missing a first or second stimulus check that was sent by the government in 2020, you will have to file a 2020 tax return rather than claim that money on your 2021 return. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very much for joining me here this afternoon. I greatly and truly appreciate every single one of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards tomorrow. If you would like to enter the giveaway, you simply have to click and like several of my videos and comment below the keyword of each video that you like. Thank you very much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.